Seniors, listen closely for a moment. Even if you work out every day, eat enough protein, and take all the supplements you believe you should, there is one very common mistake that may be silently damaging your ability to build muscle, especially after age 60. You've probably been told that magnesium is the key to muscle growth and better sleep. But what if I told you that advice has been incomplete all along? The reality is this: magnesium by itself will not rebuild muscle. Not at night, not during the day, and certainly not as we get older. So forget relying on magnesium supplements alone, because in this video, I'm going to show you two powerful vitamins that actually help rebuild muscle overnight and work faster and more effectively than magnesium ever could. This isn't just about what you take. It's about when you take it. Nearly 70% of muscle repair happens between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. And if your body doesn't have the right nutrients during that window, you're missing the most important recovery period of the entire day. And here's the twist. I'm starting with the second most effective vitamin first because it's easy to find and many seniors already have it at home. Then I'll reveal the number one most powerful nighttime vitamin for muscle growth, the one hardly anyone talks about. Plus, and this is critical, I'll also share 3 supplements you should never take at night if your goal is to build or protect muscle. The final one on that list, I promise you've taken it this week, and it may be quietly sabotaging your strength every single night. So make sure you watch until the end. Because the third supplement seniors should avoid at night is something you've likely been told is healthy, yet it could be blocking muscle growth without you even realizing it. Before we dive in, let me know where you're watching from in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions. If you're finding this helpful and would like to support the channel, consider joining our channel membership by clicking the Join button below. Members get access to exclusive content and special tips created just for our community. Your support helps us continue sharing science-backed health advice to stay strong, independent, and healthy as we age. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Together, let's build a healthier, stronger tomorrow. We'll start with a nutrient that's been misunderstood for decades: vitamin D3. When taken at the proper time, especially in the evening, this simple supplement can become one of the most powerful muscle repair tools in your routine. Here's why. When vitamin D3 is taken before bed, your body uses it to activate special receptors inside muscle cells called VDRs, vitamin D receptors. These receptors tell your muscles to absorb calcium and phosphorus, 2 essential minerals from the foods you ate earlier in the day. Without enough vitamin D, that absorption doesn't work the way it should. Here's something many people don't know. Vitamin D also supports testosterone production during sleep. And that matters because testosterone is a key hormone that helps turn the protein you eat into real, functional muscle tissue. Without enough D3, that entire repair cycle can slow by as much as 60%, especially in older adults. That's like trying to build a house without proper materials. But it goes even further. Vitamin D3 helps lower inflammation in muscle tissue while you sleep, allowing faster recovery, less soreness, and better protection against age-related muscle breakdown. Most seniors don't get nearly enough vitamin D, especially those who spend little time outdoors. A typical supplement provides 2,000 to 4,000 IU, which is close to 10 times what many seniors naturally get from sunlight. In fact, a Harvard study followed 400 older adults with low vitamin D levels for 8 months. Those who supplemented with D3 daily gained an average of 2.8 pounds of lean muscle, while the group that didn't supplement gained only 0.4 pounds. That difference is huge. Even ancient cultures understood this. During long, sunless winters, Viking warriors consumed cod liver oil to maintain strength when sunlight vanished for weeks. They may not have known the science, but they understood the value of this nutrient. So how do you add vitamin D3 to your evening routine? Start by taking 2,000 to 4,000 IU with dinner. The healthy fats in your meal help improve absorption. Or, if you prefer food sources, try this simple dinner idea. Grill about 4 ounces of wild-caught salmon. That single serving contains more vitamin D than most people get in an entire week. Add roasted mushrooms with herbs and a side of mashed sweet potatoes with grass-fed butter. Then mix a small amount of cod liver oil into your salad dressing. You won't notice it, but your muscles will. Finish with a glass of fortified milk before bed, and you've created a powerful muscle-repairing meal. Now remember, vitamin D works best when paired with one other nutrient. You could take all the D3 in the world, but without the next vitamin, your body won't properly use the protein you eat to rebuild muscle overnight. So let's talk about it. The most powerful nighttime vitamin for seniors who want to regain strength while they sleep. Now that you understand the importance of vitamin D3, it's time to talk about the real hero of nighttime muscle recovery: zinc. During deep sleep, especially between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., your body releases growth hormone, which plays a major role in rebuilding muscle. But here's what most people never hear. Growth hormone cannot work properly without zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral involved in over 300 enzyme reactions in the body, many directly linked to muscle growth, protein metabolism, and cellular repair. When zinc levels are adequate, these enzymes stay active throughout the night, repairing muscle fibers and helping amino acids bind into muscle tissue where they're needed most. But when zinc is low, and more than 40% of seniors are deficient, muscle repair can slow by up to 60%, even if protein intake is high. This explains why so many older adults feel discouraged. They eat protein, take collagen, stay active, yet still wake up sore, stiff, or weak. Without zinc, the repair process simply can't finish the job. One of zinc's lesser-known benefits is its ability to transport amino acids directly into muscle cells so they can be assembled into new fibers. Without it, much of the protein you eat goes unused. Zinc also supports testosterone production, which naturally declines with age. And without enough testosterone during sleep, muscle growth stalls. Most doctors don't routinely test seniors for zinc deficiency, yet the signs are everywhere. Slow healing, ongoing soreness, poor recovery, and gradual muscle loss despite good habits. In a major study from the University of Michigan, 120 zinc-deficient seniors were followed. Those who supplemented with 20 milligrams of zinc daily increased muscle protein synthesis by 34% and recovered 40% faster after exercise. Their strength improved, and even balance scores showed noticeable gains. Ancient healers understood this long before modern research. Egyptian physicians used zinc-rich ointments to speed healing in wounded soldiers centuries ago, well before science explained why it worked. So how should you take zinc? The best approach is 15 to 30 milligrams of a bioavailable form in the evening, about 2 hours before bed, with a full glass of water. This timing allows your body to begin using it without disrupting digestion during sleep. Just avoid taking zinc at the exact same time as your vitamin D meal. Spacing them out helps absorption. Now here's the warning: you could be eating well, staying active, and taking vitamin D and zinc correctly. But if you're taking the wrong supplements at night, all of that effort could be undone. Some supplements actually interfere with muscle repair while you sleep. And coming up next are the 3 nighttime supplements you must avoid if you care about your strength, independence, and energy. The final one is something most seniors unknowingly take at least once a week, and it may be silently sabotaging your muscle gains without you ever realizing it. But before we continue, if this has been useful so far, please tap the like button and subscribe to my channel, where we support adults over 60 in staying strong, independent, and full of energy using practical, science-based guidance. And if you'd like to share a small gift or show your appreciation, you can click the Super Thanks button just below this video. Every bit of support helps us continue creating content specifically for seniors like you. Now, here are the 3 supplements you should never take at night. Starting with B-complex vitamins. This may come as a surprise. After all, B vitamins are commonly recommended for energy, metabolism, and brain support. And that's true. But timing makes all the difference. Most B-complex formulas include B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin. All of these stimulate your central nervous system. They raise heart rate, increase alertness, and boost energy. That's helpful during the day. But when taken at night, they do the opposite of what your muscles need. That's because muscle is rebuilt during deep sleep, not while you're awake. It's during the slow wave stage, when growth hormone is released, that your body performs its most important repair work. If your nervous system is still overstimulated from B vitamins, it becomes much harder to enter that deep sleep phase. A 2019 study published in Sleep Medicine Reviews found that taking B vitamins late in the evening interfered with melatonin production and reduced deep sleep time by more than 28% in older adults. That's significant because less deep sleep means reduced muscle recovery, lower hormone release, and increased muscle breakdown, the very thing you're trying to prevent. And it doesn't end there. B vitamins can also elevate cortisol, your primary stress hormone. High cortisol levels at night can actively break down muscle tissue instead of building it. I'll never forget Margaret, one of my longtime patients. She was 87, still doing gentle strength exercises and eating well, yet she kept losing muscle and felt constantly drained. We eventually discovered she was taking her B-complex supplement right after dinner, believing it would help her recover. Once we moved it to early morning, everything shifted. Within 3 weeks, she was sleeping better and had regained 2 pounds of lean muscle. Sometimes it's not about what you take. It's about when you take it. So the rule is simple. B vitamins belong in the morning only. Never after 3 p.m. Now let's move on to the second supplement you should avoid at night, vitamin C. This one confuses a lot of people. Vitamin C is essential. It's excellent for immunity, skin health, and collagen production, but taking it at night can interfere with proper muscle repair. Here's why. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. And while that's usually beneficial, your body actually needs a small amount of oxidative stress at night to trigger muscle repair processes. When you take large doses of antioxidants too close to bedtime, you can blunt the signal your body uses to start rebuilding muscle. Think about it this way. After physical activity, your muscles develop tiny micro tears. Your body responds by releasing growth hormone and activating pathways like mTOR, which are essential for building new muscle fibers. But when antioxidants like vitamin C flood your system, they dampen that signal before the repair process can fully begin. A clinical study in older adults showed that high antioxidant intake in the evening reduced mTOR activation by 31%, effectively slowing muscle protein synthesis, even when protein intake was adequate. There's more. Vitamin C also contributes to the production of norepinephrine, a brain chemical that increases alertness. That's the last thing you want when your body is trying to wind down into deep, restorative sleep. Let me share Harold's story. He was a 79-year-old retired teacher who started lifting light weights and drinking bone broth to stay strong. Yet week after week, he felt weaker. When we reviewed his routine, we discovered he was taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C with dinner. After switching it to mid-morning, everything changed. His sleep improved, recovery accelerated, and his energy returned. Within a month, his grip strength increased and he could walk longer distances without soreness. So yes, take your vitamin C. Just take it in the morning, never with your evening meal. Finally, the third supplement you should absolutely avoid at night, and this is a big one, is caffeine. Most people associate caffeine with coffee or tea, but many seniors unknowingly consume it through supplements, pre-workout powders, energy capsules, and even certain nighttime fat burner formulas. While small amounts of caffeine in the morning can support alertness and circulation, consuming it after 2 p.m. can be very disruptive. Caffeine overstimulates your central nervous system, blocks adenosine, and raises cortisol, all of which work against nighttime muscle repair. A study published in Nutritional Neuroscience followed 160 adults over 10 weeks. Those who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle mass despite eating the same amount of protein. Why? Because their deep sleep was shortened, growth hormone release was suppressed, and muscle protein synthesis dropped sharply. I remember Gloria, an 81-year-old former nurse. She was eating well, walking daily, and drinking collagen broth at night, yet she wasn't gaining muscle. We later discovered her nighttime supplement contained 150 milligrams of hidden caffeine. Once she removed it, her sleep quality improved, and her grip strength increased by 19% in just 4 weeks. So, here's the bottom line. Caffeine has no place in your nighttime routine. No coffee, no tea, and no energy supplements after lunch. Give your body the peace it needs to repair. Now that you know what to avoid, let's quickly review everything we covered. And I'll also share a powerful free resource to help you take action today. But before we finish, here's an important message for all viewers. Medical disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your doctor, pharmacist, or qualified healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, diet, or treatment, especially if you have chronic conditions, take medications, or are over the age of 60. Everyone's body is unique, and personalized guidance is essential for safety. In today's video, we uncovered 2 powerful nutrients that can support muscle repair when taken at night. Vitamin D3, which activates muscle repair pathways, supports hormone balance, and reduces inflammation during sleep, and zinc, which fuels hormone production, speeds muscle protein synthesis, and helps your body recover overnight. We also revealed 3 common supplements many seniors take at the wrong time, silently undermining their progress. B-complex vitamins, which overstimulate the nervous system and block deep sleep. Vitamin C, which interferes with muscle growth signals, and caffeine, which raises cortisol, suppresses growth hormone, and steals deep sleep. When you take the right supplements at the right time and avoid the wrong ones, your body can finally begin rebuilding lean muscle, even as you age. No expensive powders or complicated treatments required. Just smart timing, natural nutrients, and better sleep. Before you go, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if this video helped you, click the Super Thanks button below to send a small token of appreciation and help us reach more seniors just like you.